Hey there, I'm making this video because there was this issue with the fatal F7 error on GE Oven, and if you're looking for how to solve it, and this is person wrote here, I read some comments about cleaning the ribbon strip. I clean it with some 50% alcohol and Q-tip and tried with a separate Q-tip. Everything works great. So try it out. Clean the ribbon with alcohol and Q-tip, reinstall the ribbon and oven works. Saved $150 control panel, because the issue with F7 is that it's just like the keypad is not working. Now there is this video when you're gonna write on YouTube, GE profile oven keypad not working. Primarily the F7 is going to be connected to the keypad not working, and this guy is just showing you step by step how to actually fix the issue. So look it up, this just right here on YouTube, and do what he says, and also based on with the cleaning the ribbon on trying to put it back in, this right here, and possibly it's going to fix the issue for you. I just want to make this quick video so you're not researching and researching and researching, and have a great day and goodbye.